Students, how are you? I hope you are fine. So today is your maths lecture, and today we are starting a new exercise, and also of previous exercise we are complete and we are going the further, but we are starting from the exercise. So first of all we see here the thought. What thought? Today's thought we are see here. The what is today's thought? I am telling you here. Okay, all day. Okay, good day means good day is starting by a good thought. That's why we are see here the thought. So students, today's thought is what? Change your life. Change your life today. What? Change your life means you have to change your life. Okay, but how can we change your life? We have to learn something. We are learning something new things. Okay, don't gamble on the future, act now without delay. It means what? Change your life today, don't gamble on the future, act now without delay. Means what? Now on the future, it means on the future you are also be change your life and act now without delay. Act now without delay means what? Act you have performed now, not what we are say I am do my work tomorrow, day after tomorrow, but we have to do now. Okay, without delay. Without delay means what? Without a late. Understood all students? So now we are move on topic. Okay, what we are done in last session, students? We are do the revision of the step of problem solving and exercise 2E and G. What we are, why we are not writing F is we are not performing. That's why. Okay, and students, question number 1, 2 and 3, and question number 1 I was give as in homework. Only we have a 2 and 3 we are done in yesterday. Okay, so students, now I am move on the further sessions. Okay, today's content, what we are learn today, what we are going to learn today, students. Exercise number second G we have done 2E, exercise number second E, second F we have a no write, no performing. Okay, and now we are starting today exercise number second G. So second G, in exercise number second G, question number 1. Okay, question number 1 is what? Solve the addition and subtraction problem with the help of bar model. Okay, we have done almost question 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 1 I was give at as a homework. I hope you all are question number 1 is wrote in your book. Okay, so now question number 1, okay, is your homework. What? Question number 1 already I was give you, but now we are solved the here question number 1. Question number 1 is what? Question number 1 is a large bookstore. Already yesterday I was explain you, but again I am explaining you here and solve this today, this question. Okay, question number 1 is what? A large bookstore need to keep 1500 copies. How many copies a large bookstore need to the keep? What? Large bookstore means bookstore or bookstore needs to keep with how many copies? How many copies of which book? Dictionary. Which books? Dictionary. Okay, so books shopkeeper needs to keep 1500 copies of the dictionary. What? 1500 copies of the dictionary in the stock. Okay, already he wants to stock of 1500, but it present has how many present at bookstore? Present has 987 copies in the stock. Okay, shopkeeper want, bookstore want 1500, but it present it has 987 copies in stock. So how many more copies that it need to reach the number of the dictionary it needs to the have? Understood? What is the question? How many more copies? How many more copies bookstore does it needs to reach to which? How many copies? 1500 copies, the number of dictionary it needs to have. It needs to how many books? 1500 copies. Understood, all students? So let's here one thing we are forget. What, students? Remember the step of problem solving. So now we are do with this question and keep it in mind the all step and remember all the step. Understood, all students? So first of all, step number one, read the question and understand the problems. Read the question and understand the problems. Okay, and then what? Second step is what? Second step is find the information. What? Find the information. And third step is what? Decide what to do. Now we are decide what to do: addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Understood? But now which chapter we have current? Addition or subtraction. So only we have to decide two things: how to subtraction or addition. So decide what to do. Third step is what? Third step is done. What is the fourth step? Solve your problem, solve your question, and then question number 5 is check your answer. Understood, all students? So now what we have, read the question and understand the question. Already we understand the question. Okay, so again I am explaining you all students. A large bookstore needs to keep 1500 copies of the dictionary in the stock. It presently has 987 copies in the stock. How many more copies does it need to reach the number of dictionary it needs to have? What a number of dictionary it needs to have. So now let's check here let's see here what's the answer here. Okay, answer number 1. So student, bookstore needs to the keep. Okay, bookstore needs to the keep how many book? 1500. Okay, 1500 and it has presently 987. It presently has 987. Okay, so now what we have to decide, only we have to do here the subtraction. How can we know? Okay, we are doing here a subtraction. How can we know we are doing here the subtraction? How we know the subtraction? Okay, so students, here decide the 1500. Okay, and minus 987. How can we know? But again and again I am speaking because of we don't know. How can we solve over the question? Okay, how can we know do the solving the sum? Okay, so bookstore need it has how many books? 1500. And presently it has only 987. So how many he wants? So 1500 minus 987 we are do this. Okay, because of this book it wants and it has present 987, so we are do here the subtraction. So now we are solve this sum. 0 minus 7, is this possible? No, 0 is a small and 7 is big number, so I am taking the borrow. 10 plus 0, so 10 minus 7, so how many? 3. Okay, then further 0 again, so I am cut the number and put the 9 minus 8, so how many? 1. Again we cut because of I am taking 0 and 9, so cut the 5 and put the 4. Okay, so 14 minus 9, 14 minus 9, so how many students? 14 minus 9, so how many students? 5. And again I am cut the number, so 1 and put the 0, small number 0, and 0 minus 0, so answer is what? Comes 0. So main answer is what? 530. So bookstore need 2 more 530s copy. Understood all students? This is your question number 1. I hope you are done in your homework. So now today you are done the question number 1. Now we move on the directly. Question number 2 is done. Question number 3 is done yesterday. So now we are move on direct. Question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 is what? A newly launched website. Newly launched website was visited by 9,875. What? A newly launched website. Okay, a newly launched website was visited by 9,875 people on its first day. Okay, one website is launched newly because of, for example, any new website is coming on the net. So first day, so many people are watched. How many people are watched on the first day? 9,875 people are watched on the first day. And second day, on the second day, the website visit how many people? 6,532 people are visit on second day. So question is what? How many more people visit the website on the first day than on the second? Okay, so question is what, student? Say first day, on the first day, so many people are watch the website. Okay, visit the website. But on the second day, so many people are visit on the website. But what we are decide here, what is the question here? Question is that how many more people visit to first day than on the second day, first day than on the second day. So we are checking here answer. So people, first of all we write the information or data. People visit on the first day 9,875 and people visit on the second day 6,532. How many? 6,532. Understood all students? So now answer. Now how can we know? So on first day remove to the second day. Okay, so 9,875 minus 6,562. So 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2. So how many students? 3. 7 minus 6, 4. 7 minus 6. Is this 4 students? No, sorry, 7. What answer is come there? But here is one mistake. See students, here is what come? 3. What? 3 here. What is come here all students? Here what is coming all students? Okay, so now here 3. We are right here the 3. Okay, so students, let's see here. What? Here 9,875. Okay, 9,875. And what is the second data? Second day on 6,532. 6,532. There is no 6. Okay, there is no 6. 5 minus 2, 3. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. So how many students? 4. 7 minus 3. So how many left? 4. 8 minus 5. 3. 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. How many students? 9 minus 6. So 3. So answer is what comes students? 3,343. 3,343 people are visit the newly coming a website. Understood all students? Okay, so now we are move on further question. I hope you understood, and you have to write in a where in your fair book. Okay, and all students, question number 5, read the question number 5. What is the question number 5? Question number 5 is what? Question number 5 is Akila has 543 stamp. How many stamp? 543 stamp, and her uncle gave her his collection of 264 stamps. How many stamps does she have now? Okay, Akila is a name of girl. Akila is the name of girl, and she has a 543 stamp, and her uncle gave her his collection of 264 stamp. Okay, she has only 543, and her uncle gave how many? 264. The question is what? How many stamps does she have now? So what we are doing easy sums. She has only, and her uncle is gave 264. So what we are doing here? Addition, students. Okay, what we are give here? The additions. Okay, so now we are do the here. So okay, first of all we write the data. Akila has, otherwise we can write as like that she has. We write as like that Akila or she has. Okay, both we write Akila. So what I am writing here, Akila has 543 stamp. Her uncle gave 264 stamp. Is both data. So now we are do the addition. 543 plus 264. So 3 plus 4. How many students? 7. 4 plus 3. Do with your finger roll, students. 4 plus 3. How many? 4 plus 3. How many? 7. And 4 plus 3. 7. And 4 plus, and here 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6. How many students? 10. 6. 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 0 here and 1 carry forward. So 10. Okay, 10 and 10. How can we write the 10? 0 here and 1 carry. As a form of the carry we can write as like that. Then after 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2. How many students? 8. So answer is what come? 807. What answer is what coming? 807. So total, Akila has total how many stamp is 807. Understood all students? Now we move on the question number 6. What is the question number 6? Question number 6, first of all read the question and understand the problem. We are going through the step by step of the problem solving. Understood all students? So a parking lot can hold many cars. Okay, a parking lot can hold many cars. Parking has the capacity, it holds a many car, means we are park bike or cars, whatever that. It has many lot of space. So presently on parking 2090 cars are parked in it. Okay, where in parking already presently how many cars? 2090. There is a space for, now again space for. Okay, still there are space of 1632 more cars. How many car space is there? There is a space for 1632 more cars. How now main question is coming. How many cars can the parking lot hold? So totally what we are doing, the addition. Okay, so many so parking is so many big and long and space. It holds means stay. There are how many? So many cars are parked there, but it has presently 2090 90 cars are parked in it now, and there is more space. how many more space and more we are put the car 1632. Okay, so how many cars can the parking lot hold? Understood? Again and again I am repeating you because of anyhow we understand the question. Question is what, all students? Again I am telling you, question is what? Question is this one parking can hold many cars. Hold can many cars means what? We can parking so many cars. But in parking now presently 2090 cars are parked in it. Okay, and there is a space for a one, and now still there is a space for 1632 more cars. So question is what? How many cars can the parking lot hold? Understood? So now let's check here. So first of all we write the data. What we are writing the data is presently car are parking presently car are parking 2090. What? 2090, and there is a space for 1632 more cars. So totally what we are do here, the addition. So here students we are do the addition. Okay, so we write the 2090 plus 1632. Okay, so now one by one, step by step we are going through the addition. 0 plus 2, 0 plus 2, any numbers add with 0. So which number we are add, the same answer is come. Okay, 0 plus 2, so 2. Further 9 plus 2, 9 plus 3, 9 plus 3. So how many students? 9 plus 3, do with your fingers. 9, 10 and 11 and 12. 9, then after 10, 11 and 12. So I am writing 12 as like the 2 here and 1 carry form by the carry forward. Okay, so I am writing 2 here and 1. It has make a 12. 2 here and 1 carry. Understood, all students? So then after what we are doing again, 1 plus 0, so 1 and it's a 6. 1 plus 6, how many students? 7. So what I am wrote here, 7. Understood? Then after 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, how many? 3. So answer is what coming? 3722. What answer is what coming, all students? 3722. Again I'm repeat you, how many cars we are hold on parking now? Totally how many parks? Totally park a car hold on one parking 3722 cars. Understood, all students? So now we are move on question number 7. Question number 7 is what? Question number 7 is what? A carpet factory manufacturer. Which factory? Carpet means we have to carpet. We have to some cloth at we are put on our tiles. It's called a carpet. Carpet factory manufactured 16,453. How many? 16,453 carpets on 1 year. Okay, carpet factory manufactured in 1 year 16,453 carpet. It manufactured more than in the following years. Means then after 1 year, carpet factory manufactured 1,243. But first year, how many carpet manufacturers in first year? 16,453, and following year 1,243 only, more than in the following year. It's did manufactured in the both years together. Understood? Again and again I am repeating you because of anyhow you have to learn the and understand the question or problems. What is the question? You first of all you read and again Understand? Okay, so now I am reading here the question. A carpet factory manufactured 16,453 carpets 1 year. It manufactures then after 1,243 more than in the following year. How many carpet did it manufacture in both the years together? Understood? So one a carpet factory manufactures in 1 year 16,453 carpet in 1 year. Understood, students? Then after in following years, what? 1,243 more than in the following year. Okay, so how many carpet did it manufacture in both the years together? So what we are do here, the students? Anybody can tell me, students, what you are doing here? So manufacture means a make or a made in a carpet factory. Carpet makes 1 year 16,453 and following years 1,243. It means what? Again and again I am reading and again I am telling because of very complicated question, and you have to understand what is the question and what is the data. Okay, here two figure number, this 16,453 carpet, but in which year, students? 1 year and following years. But is this which data? Following years carpet manufacturers 1,243. Is this correct? Yes, is this correct? Now again see what is the question. How many carpets did it manufactured in both the years together? So means what we have find, students, here 1 year and this following years. Okay, 1 year and following years, both years together means both year. First year, students, both years we are do the together. First year, what we are doing here in first year, students, first year and following year. So both are do the comparison and add both year, and we are find the total how many carpets manufactured in the both year. Understood, all students? So now let's check here the answer. Okay, so what is the answer? First of all, what we do, the students, find the information as second step of a problem solving. So we first write the data. What is the data? So 1 year carpet manufactures 16,453. How many? 16,453, and following year manufactures 1,243. It means what? We have to write the first this all data. Okay, so first of all, what I am writing here, 1 year a carpet manufactured 16,453 and following year manufactures 1,243. Understood, all students? So now what we are doing here, the addition. So how can we write the addition? First of all, upper digit 1 year and then the following year we have right here. So 16,453. Okay, then 1,243. So now we are do the addition here. 3 plus 3. How many, students? 6. 3 plus 3. How many, students? 6. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. You are do with your fingers, all students. 5 plus 4. How many? 9. 5 plus 4. 9. Understood, all students? Then after 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. How many? 6. 4 plus 2. 6. Then 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1. So how many? 7. 6 plus 1. 7. Then 1 as it is. Okay, again I am repeating you 1 as it is. 6 plus 1. 7. 4 plus 2. 6. 5 plus 4. 9. 3 plus 3. 6. Okay, is this your answer? Answer is what coming? 17,696. 17,696. Understood all students? So answer is what coming? 17,696 carpets are manufactured all together years. What we are speaking as right as like answer. Okay, a carpet factory in both years together manufacturization 17,696 carpet. Understood? Is this your answer? But how can we write the answer as like that? Only short form, 17,696. All students got my points? Okay, one more thing for you students. You have to write this exercise number 2G. Where you are writing in the fair book. Understood? All sums 1 to 7. Okay, what we are learned today, question number 1 I was give you at a homework, and today we are question number 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many sums we are doing today? 4 and 1 5, totally 5 sums. So 5 sums you have write in your fair book one time with good handwriting. All students understood my point? Okay, this is your today's homework. So now students, thank you so much, and today we are going on a next exercise. Okay, thank you so much all of you.